everybody. Ortez, I'm checking in. Listen, got a nice little project today. A lot of brickwork. Hit this sidewalk. Up here on the porch as well. Get that. And then all those cobwebs gotta go. And then also, it's a second floor balcony up there. So I got an idea to get my hose up there, but I'm gonna go through inside with a rope, pull the rope down, and then tie my pressure washing hose, pull that up so I can knock that out. So don't have a ladder, just being creative. Again, I'm about to knock this out. It's gonna be a nice transformation. Get the sidewalk, add that in. They didn't ask for it. Property line to property line, and then get all of that. All right, y'all, so right now I'm pre-treating the concrete and the brick, and mind you, I got a really hot mix, so it's probably about 6% sodium hypochlorite, aka pool shock, aka bleach, whatever you want to call it. So I'm putting it down on the brick because that's one thing I noticed about the brick. Bricks can be really stubborn, you know what I mean? So I just want to make sure everything is pre-treated well, so by the time I come with the turbo nozzle, all of this stuff be so easy to get out. So getting these brick landscape or stones, whatever you call them, around here as well. So pre-treating all of that with the pump up sprayer. So basically I'm gonna let that dwell while I move on to these cobwebs. So I started hitting spider webs with this brush. Yeah, I know, you know, some of y'all gonna say just soak it with SH and it'll melt right off, but I'm gonna just do this, man. It ain't gonna take that much time. Just kind of cut the work in half, I think, but get the job done. And I don't want to get nothing in my mouth, so just showing y'all the process, using a broom, knocking this stuff down. Then at some point I am gonna obviously soak it down with my house mix, and then that'll get it all cleaned up. All right, y'all, stay tuned. So now I'm starting on the actual house wash on the first level. And man, because these houses were so close to each other, it was a lot of overspray, but I tried to do my best to, you know what I mean, like get it at angles. Thankfully, like the neighbors ain't come out. I did pre-rinse or pre-soak the plants, you know what I mean, just to be on the safe side. It is a very diluted house mix, but better be safe than sorry. So take a look back, one more spray of those columns, get underneath that ceiling of the porch. Just make sure it was sitting good. Mind you, them cobwebs was up there too, so, well, what was left over after I brushed it. So I just want to make sure, you know what I mean, the solution is getting in. Now, finally on the brickwork, I got my wand and my turbo nozzle and just going in, y'all. I actually like the longer wand because I ain't got to bend over as much. And so it's just really helpful. So now I'm hitting these stairs, and lately I've been having a lot of brickwork, and I feel like it's tedious, you know what I mean, because you can't surface clean. Well, I ain't surface cleaning no brick, but they make the best before and after. And so these bricks never been cleaned before. As you can see, like that red maroon, man, it's already popping, and it's not even completely dry yet. So getting all this dirt out these little crevices, and it's already looking good, y'all. Like it ain't even, I'm far from being done, but it's already looking good. Hey man, real quick, shout out to all the people who've been rocking with me. Some of y'all been rolling with me from the beginning. You already know I'm almost 1 year in the business. It's been cool. Now I'm hitting these side landscape stones. Those are really dirty, as you can see. And honestly, if you can look from the street before I started cleaning, you wouldn't even know they was there. I mean, they was blended in with the leaves and the dirt. and everything like that. But it didn't take that long for me to just hit it with a turbo nozzle. I did clean the second floor balcony. I didn't get footage of that, but turned out nicely. But here's a recap. All right, got the concrete nice and clean, going from property line. I did post street, so after everything dried, I'm sure it'll pop even more. Coming in, the brick, man, the brick looked nice. And then I'm about to show y'all up here. Cobwebs completely gone, all cleaned up. Man, appreciate y'all for watching. Subscribe. Until next time, take care.